CCTV Camera World is proud to provide support for products purchased from our website. If you purchased your product from another vendor, please contact the vendor you purchased from for further assistance. In this video, I'm going to show you how to control a PTZ from your premium series Avalonix NVR system. So here I have channel 1, which is my PTZ camera, and I want to control it. So in order to do that, I first need to right-click, click on PTZ control. However, you'll notice that the channel I have selected is highlighted in green. So you want to first click and select the channel or right-click directly on that channel that you want to control the PTZ for. So after clicking the PTZ control, again, I'll show you. You right-click on the camera you want to control, and then click on PTZ control. Now it prompts you to log in. So you're going to use the admin password. If you're unsure what the password is, it will be found on a label on the top of your NVR or DVR. And I'm entering that password now. So I'm clicking and holding and dragging my mouse and then releasing after drawing the pattern. Here you'll see I have this neat PTZ menu. It's got arrow directions and a zoom, focus, and iris selectors. So here if I click left, my camera is going to move to the left. If it moves to the right or click the right, it's going to move to the right. If I go down, it's going to pan or tilt down. Up, goes back up. And then you have your diagonal directions as well. It's worth noting though, if you use a directional, but you're already all the way up on your camera, then it will just go left or right. Same would be true if you were all the way down at the maximum tilt level, then it would just pan left or right. Next would be the zoom. So if you wanted to zoom in on something, you would click the plus button on zoom. This is a mini PTZ, so it only has about a 4x zoom lens, and it makes this plate a little clearer, and then you could zoom out. You could also adjust your focus. However, this camera is an autofocus camera, so I don't really need to adjust the focus. Next would be the auxiliary menu, in which case, depending on which features your camera has, you can either set presets, set up a tour, set up a pattern, do auto scan, set up a pan, flip, or reset any of those settings that you set. And you'll notice that my camera does have a preset, and it went to it after a few seconds of idle. That is called the idle preset. However, that's covered in another video for setting up those tours and those presets. The last thing I'll show you is if you want to have your PTZ camera in full screen, then you would simply double click on the grid for your PTZ camera. So double clicking on your mouse is going to bring this camera into full screen. And then once again, you can right click and click the PTZ control to control the camera in full screen. Hopefully this video helps you use your PTZ camera. Thank you for watching. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.